go into your closet, throw something amazing together, and come back and show me. 2 minutes on the clock.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Get set.
Mm-hmm.
Go! Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I am Haley from Damn Good Shindig.
And I'm Ellie, and this is a new episode of Damn Good Creation. We're getting better at that every week.
Yeah, every week. It'll be perfect by the end.
So yeah, welcome back. Thanks for joining us. We are so excited to continue on this train of our witches tea party and getting it planned and DIY'd, and it's gonna be awesome. Halloween is fast approaching. It's finally October.
Ah, yes, so exciting. I love October. I feel like everyone's now caught up with us because we've been in spooky mode for weeks now. Yes. And I feel like the world is finally accepting that and coming along for the ride.
Mm-hmm. So happy spooky season, everyone. All right, so what's on our agenda today? Like, what are we talking about?
Today, we're talking about one of our favorite things, and that is dressing the part. AKA costumes, AKA things you wear when you attend a party, an event. Yes.
And here at Damn Good Shindig, we like to encourage our guests to wear something that goes along with the theme, because when you're, in a physical party, when you're in a real space and people are dressed like that they belong to this world that you're creating, it just is that much more. It's like automatic set dressing. It just helps with like the atmosphere and everything.
And when people come in costume, they have a great time planning what they're going to wear. They get really excited about the theme long before they arrive at the party. So by the time they've arrived, they're in it. Their mindset is totally 100% in this theme, and they're excited and ready to participate.
Yeah, no, it's super fun. I mean, I know we've had parties before, and we've invited some friends who haven't necessarily been a fan of the particular theme that we were going for, and so they had like no clue as to what the hell anything was. And I remember, and we would be like, here's some costume ideas, like go look at it, and then they got like really jazzed and just texting us pictures like, can I wear this, like what about this, and getting really excited about it. So that's always fun to see.
It's definitely fun to see, and something we really like to do are create mood boards with ideas for costumes. Cosplay. You know where I was going with that. Costumes from your own closet. You don't have to go out. You don't have to go shopping, especially right now. Things you can find at home and throw together into something that looks in theme. So Ellie, I have a question for you. When we're talking about witches, and something comes to my mind, and I want to know what comes to your mind. What is your favorite pop culture witchy aesthetic?
Ooh, that is a really good question. I'll have to go with, I think, The Craft.
Oof. Yes, good answer.
It definitely came out at the right time in my life. And I definitely love that like 90s like grunge look in general, and then to make it like even more like witchy and cool is just lovely. I love it. So that's my fave.
That's a great look. Gotta like that.
What about you?
Schoolgirl. Kind of along the same lines, but flash forward into contemporary era. Coven, American Horror Story, I think is just the perfect epitome of witchcraft in the late 20-teens. We've got those cute black outfits. You get the little collars and the hats, not necessarily witches hats, but those wide brim, gorgeous black hats.
Oh, I love those.
And so good. And paired with other types of witches in that world, like you have the misty look, which is very kind of ethereal Stevie Nicks, like lots of flowing fabrics. So you pair up some really cool different kind of witches, but they all tie together in one society in New Orleans, and I'm so into it.
So what kind of things should we be wearing to our own witch's tea on Halloween?
Ooh. Yeah, you know, we've been doing so much prep work, we haven't really thought about ourselves like at all.
Oh god.
How sad. And now party's almost here and we got nothing to wear.
Oh gosh. Yeah, no. We need to
I think we need to
remedy this.
But you do have your familiar behind you, so that is one thing.
Gremlin.
Figure out. So you have a familiar. I have a dog. Does that count? He's a pug. I feel like pugs are very witchy.
Yeah. Any animal can be your familiar.
But now we have to find something to wear.
Yes.
So I have an idea. You have 2 minutes to go into your closet, throw something amazing together, and come back and show me.
Okay. 2 minutes?
2 minutes. Yeah. 2 minutes on the clock.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Get set. Go!
Man, that was
that
was a rush. That was a rush job.
Yeah. I think I threw something together. I had to go down to my basement. You know how crazy the place is?
That sounds spooky scary.
It was very spooky. It was very
I can't believe you
but
have a basement.
I know. How un Los Angeles of me, huh?
Yeah. Well, I went into my closet in my bedroom.
Ooh, also spooky. I mean, I was pretty scared of closets as a kid. Well, I love this like space, galaxy, celestial vibes top that you've got going on.
Thank you. Yeah, I was really feeling that celestial vibe. I mean, like, this is our witch's tea party, and we have all that like moon theme going. So I thought I would wear my most space age shirt, but it's also like it's like lacy, so it's like witchy and
honestly total craft vibes happening right now. Yes. Well, I did not go craft, but I did go kind of spider web mistress.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's a thing.
Yeah, totally a thing. I had forgotten I had this really cool top.
That's super fun. I remember what that was for.
Yes, Ready Party One.
Ready Party One.
Totally. Ready Party One. And then I went to the basement for this massive tulle skirt that was for Vampire Ball last year. So just
that is a
all the things.
Massive skirt.
Yeah, it's like a 10-foot drain. And I bunched it all up and just made this crazy cocoon.
I love it.
Web for myself.
I love it. Are you wearing creepy cloth?
Creepy
cloth?
I wear a creepy cloth and my spider
and your
brooch.
spider brooch. I love it. That's so fun.
So really just bringing it all back right now.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah.
I got a little crystal for some of
Ooh,
my accessories, and then my earrings, which you can barely see in this light, are like black tassels, but this is like also like moon rock. Inside.
From the moon.
From the moon.
Did you get that shipped here from the moon?
Exactly. And then I have a little star.
Wow. You were very accomplished in those 2 minutes.
Well, I kind of I'm
I'm
trying to have like a capsule wardrobe. So it was
Ooh.
I'm in like the
Okay.
first stages of like getting rid of most of my clothes. So it's pretty easy to find stuff in my closet.
Okay. Well, that's really impressive. I don't know what any of that means.
You're like, what? That's foreign.
Don't know. Yeah.
Foreign concept. Since you have like a basement closet.
Ellie, I think we're missing something in these outfits.
You know what? I think
What?
we really need to have some sort of head covering. like a hat?
Oh,
Or a crown?
Is it time?
I think it's time.
Can I show you?
Yeah, I want to see. So obviously we're talking about our DIYs this week, you guys.
Oh my god, we're talking about our DIYs. Are you guys ready?
I'm so ready.
Oh man, we almost fooled you that we didn't have hats / headpieces / crowns. So here we go.
Let's see it.
I call this the kitchen sink hat because I just took everything and put it on a hat. And it's so pretty.
Oh, wow. I love the skeleton hand in there. That's so creepy.
So there we go. There's
That's
my
beautiful.
situation.
I love it. I love your witchy
did
side
my
braid,
Katniss
too.
braid. Thank you. I magically grew my hair overnight to do it.
Yeah. No, it's perfect. Good spell.
Thank you. So this hat was a fabulous find from DragonCon a few years ago. I will find that artist for you guys. But I wanted to add all of these beautiful things that suggest all of our elements from this party. Natural things, and I wanted some florals, and I wanted our color palette of grays and foggy blues, and of course those lavenders and purples. And all of these things we found at the dollar store. Everything on my hat is from the dollar store. Different dollar stores.
Doesn't look like it.
No, right. I started by weaving a wreath out of their pipe cleaners that are basically like faux grass. And we found those, I think, at the Dollar King. Mm-hmm. So I wove a bunch of those as a wreath because I didn't want to ruin the actual hat itself.
You're saying that is all like removable, that you can change it out for different seasons of the witch?
That's right.
That's awesome.
Seasons of the witch.
That's great.
So this is spooky season witch, but you could do a festive season witch. You could do a birthday season witch. This is your birthday season. How exciting for you.
Yeah.
So yes, I started with this wreath, and then I was able to tuck all of those other florals into the wreath. And I used hot glue, I used wire, but mostly I just kind of wrapped things around as you would any kind of floral crown. I got some feathers in there from that crazy mask we found at Dollar King. So the purple feathers are all from that mask.
There's like
we've got flowers, we've got berries, we've got these crazy sparkly sticks. Oh gosh, can't forget the bugs. Love those little creepy crawlies. So I have some spiders. Yeah, definitely.
Really.
Where am I? Oh, here we go. Here's one. A butterfly.
Got it.
And then we have a spider right there. And another spider actually on the skeleton's hand as a ring. And I just felt like it needed one more creepy element. So when everything was on the hat, I took my hot glue gun. I put the fan on, and the glue gun was on low temp, and I just delicately strung that glue from side to side on all the little branches to get that spider webbing effect.
Nice.
And that's all it took, and then it was kind of just that perfect level of haunted creepiness, spooky vibes that I needed. And here's my hat.
Love it.
Yay! I feel like I'm ready for this party now. I feel so festive.
You do. You look very festive.
Thank you. What did you decide to do for your headpiece?
Okay, well, I wanted to have a crown. So yeah, I actually made myself 2 crowns because I was feeling certain ways when I started crafting, and then it sort of came together, and I was like, but I didn't use my 2 favorite things that I picked out. So I made a second one with the favorite things. So I'm going to show you the first one first. So here it is. It's a little hard to see. Let me do that makeup tutorial.
Okay.
Thing.
Oh yeah.
So
got like a ghost hand. Go.
Yeah. So it's basically.
I think that's beautiful.
So I started with a headband, and then I just added. I took wire around it, and I sort of like made like a crown shape with wire, and I twisted it all together. So that's what this like whole thing where the lace is on is all like this wire thing I started.
Oh,
and
cool.
then I went back in with some sparkly, creepy black branches and put those over some of my wire frame that I did. And then I added the lace in the back, and then I finally went in and I added a bunch of little spidey rings.
Yes! Oh, I didn't see those before.
Yeah.
Oh, those are great.
It's hard to see, but it's like it's covered in spiders and branches and creepy lace. So here's the first one I made. That's beautiful.
I want to see it on your head.
You want to see it on my head? Okay.
I do. Oh, regal. Oh, that's really cute. I like it.
So yeah. So that's my crown, and I like it a lot. It's very spooky. But one of my favorite things that we had found was this. Actually, it's where the lace came from, but the lace had these little tiny skulls attached to it, and I really wanted to use those in a crown, so I made a second one. And I got my little skulls in there.
Oh wait, I like this one even more.
So I used a lot of that same black glittery branches, and then I added this. This is my other favorite thing, was just like weird fake floral I don't even know, lavender or something twigs.
Yeah, it's almost like seaweedy. I used it too back here.
Going. So this is my secondary crown.
That one's killer. Oh, that's so pretty. Yay, I like that. I really like the color.
Yeah.
I can see, yes. Yeah.
So yeah, it's my beautiful crowns. Very
excited. Well done. So now we are perfectly attired for our festive occasion.
Yes.
And what about you guys? What have you made for your festive occasion?
Yeah.
Anything fun?
Show us what you got. Tag us and let us know what you're making. We want to see all your creations.
Shout out to Dory, who made an amazing Zoom virtual landscape for her festive holiday Zooms. And we just have to show this off because it is so fantastic.
It's so
We're really proud of her.
Yeah, good job.
Yay.
So join us next week. We are going to be talking about some witchy activities. You know, maybe like casting a spell or something together for this party. And we're really pumped about that. So yeah, can't wait to share that with you guys.
So thanks for coming on this adventure. We hope you enjoy it and come back again.
Yeah, and reminder to like, comment, subscribe, do all the things. And we will catch you next week. Stay spooky, friends.
Stay spooky.